G'day there, it's Bart here from Bodjabart again. I'm going off task a little bit. I've got this here which is from the cart I built with one of the kids at school this year, and it ran into a wall and we bent the steering shaft, so I have to fix it. So I've cut the end off it and I'm just going to put a piece in, just a piece here. I've got to put this in here like so, just put this piece in here like this. And then I've got to turn this bit down because it's a bit stepped there, so that this will fit on there. And we've got to drill a hole in there so that this can go in here, this nice square bit. So we'll just get off and do this. I'd like to get it fixed before the end of the year so we can have a rip round in it. Rightio, I'll just move the camera onto the lathe and we'll get into it. Goggles on. There we go. That Lewis. Cool. Right, now what we have to do is drill that out to fit this here. Because this here is, where is it? This is a little bit too loose a fit in there. So we've got to drill that out so this will fit in there, but it's, yes, I'm not going to put much on. I don't know whether to turn that down to make that a little smaller so we can do a smaller hole in there. I'm not sure. Right. Okay, we'll turn that, we'll drill that first. Right, we need a chuck. There we go, one chuck. Point that out a bit. Bring this forward. In there. We need to find a dimension. And a trusty vernier. Turn them on. Put them on 0. Yep. And see what he is. Alright, he measures 14 millimeters, 14.1, so around about 14 millimeters. Well, we have a 14 millimeter drill bit, don't we? So that'll work. So that would be that one there. And we already have a pilot hole in, but we're not sure how far it goes. So we need to get this in about, I've got a ruler here, that's what here it is. So I might need that to stick out a bit so I can weld it. Stick them out about there. Just means it's going to be. Then we can, if we put it sitting out there, we can run a weld around it. Yep. That's what we'll do. Okie dokie. That means it'll lengthen that a bit, but that's alright. Right. I'm going to go 14 mil, and this thing here measures what? 16. Right, should be alright. And we need to know how deep that is. Okay, so that's only in 18 mil, and we need to go around about 50. 50, around about 50, not quite 50, I might go 45 to start with. Okay, if we go 45 to start with. Right, so we need that size drill bit that went in there. It looks somewhere around about that size. That was a good guess. So we need to go drill him a bit further, deeper. We need the pin, which I keep over here. Right, and we need to go 45, didn't I say? $45. Yeah, 45. Yeah. Oh, around that there. Okay. Some of the magic cutting stuff. Here we go. Goggles. Fast. Right, we're at 850. Take it down to 5. Oh no, we're at 500. Yeah, we're at 500. So 5, this should have been alright. Oh, I don't want to go back down to there. I need to go. Ooh, okay. Red. 300. It might be a bit better. This piece here actually came off an old door closer. I need the square bit to get it right, so I thought that'd be a good thing to use. No, I reckon I'll leave it. I think I'll turn that down. I'll leave it the way it is. Yep. Okay. I shall turn this down instead. I better go and see what the time is because I've got to go and do something. So, yep, we're back into it. Right, I've got to speed that back up. That's it. Rightio. That is it. Didn't take much to get him down. Right. So that goes in there, which we have to cut it down a bit. Not that, we've got to cut this down a bit. Okay. It's meant to be 45 if memory serves me. Yep, that's 45. Ah! Doesn't have to be. We'll cut that down and we'll be right, I think. So that's in there, like so. That's in there, like so, all the way. Oh. Just gonna weld that onto there. And that goes in there like that. So what I can do is probably weld that there like that, push that in further. I've got that pretty alright, I think. I'll just fill that up with weld, and clean that up, and then push that in. Right through to there. Right through to there. So if I weld that up, then clean all that up, push that in, that'll be spot on. Then that'll stick out further. That's exactly what we need. That's it. There we go. Yeah, we'll have that like that, and then we'll weld that up in there, and we'll put this through onto there. That'll be on there like that. That'll go in there, which will be perfect. And then I'll have it back. And we'll straighten that all up. Right, that's that done. I haven't figured out the bolting arrangement yet, but I think I will sort that out. Alright, that's that on that. I better pack up. And yeah, just a wee quick one on that one there, and I'll let you know how it's all gone when we get it all together. And yeah, I'll show you it finished, hopefully, when it's all back together, what we did for that year. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.